not yet mainstream physics. Extract from Reality in the Context of Relativity and Quantum Physics. Georgina Woodward. The 15th of August 2023. Reason for the constant speed of light in a vacuum. The word light in apostrophes is used here to denote the observer-independent process within the environment, as opposed to the observation product, produced by the observer, seen light, having the same common name. Einstein, using his intuition, proposed a constant speed of light in a vacuum. He does not explain what physically is happening to make that so. Light, transmitted by electromagnetism, is only an existing thing when it is formed within the environment, being in part a particular environmental disturbance. It is not light without it. Similarly, the electrons of a magnet are not themselves the magnetic field. Solid-like particles emitted and associated with light are not themselves alone light. They initiate the light process and enable detection of light rather than being light themselves. The light exists until it is absorbed by a receiving material or object, when it ceases to be existing. The motion of the source prior to formation of the light does not determine the speed of light when it is in the environment. Likewise, the speed of the receiver plays no part in the speed of the light after receipt, as the light no longer exists. Only the travel in the environment between source and sink corresponds to existing light. The composition, constituents, and concentration of the environment determines the speed when not in a vacuum. When in a vacuum, the speed is constant. A material object, such as a ball, exists before it is released and after catching, taking on the speed of the carrying objects, which will be added or subtracted, depending on same or opposite direction of motion, from the speed of the ball would have if the carriers were stationary relative to the observer.